the other one is called supplementary parts. What do you call the main parts? The main parts, every time you write, they are there. Supplementary parts, they are only put there as part if they are needed. Kung kinakailangan lang. Yan yung supplementary parts. Now, what are the main parts? Okay, number one, so this is letter A as the letterhead or heading. Saan nilalagay siyempre ang heading? Pag sinabing head, nasaan ang head natin? Siyempre sa taas, hindi dun sa baba. So, ang heading, pwede mong, depende kasi kung yung company may sarili na siyang stationery or letter prepared, meron nang nakaprint doon, so there's no need to prepare. Pero kung blanco and you are asked to write to somebody, you have to use your company's heading. So, saan mo, kung ikaw gagawa, isentro palagi. Ha? So, pwede mong i-capitalize yung pangalan ng company, depende sa style ng company you have to follow. Pero kung napakasimple, o yun, ilagay mo ang logo, that's enough. Then, siguro 14 ang font na capitalize, bold, and so on. Bahala ka na doon kung Lucida, Casual, and so on. So, depende sa style ng company. Now, meron din yung mga dati ng print, they're already printed at the left side, minsan dun sa baba, o minsan sa taas, depende sa style. And some of the officials are nandun pa. So, what are to be found in the heading? Anong number one na ilalagay doon? Of course, the name of the company who is writing. Sino yung magbibigay ng letter? Yun, kunwari, safety, susulat sa TESDA. So, ang gagamitin kong lalagay ko heading, yung heading na safety. Okay. Then,